Oh, maybe not.
Hang on.
We've got Steve from Yacht Yak having a few issues coming down the hill.
Negotiating the bank. Where's the 40?
Yeah, a great time to see a bale, but pretty stable on those feet of his.
Not like the last video you got of me, mate. But here we are, folks. They're getting ready for the second race. We've got these sails up there, mates up there. Got a lot of people here on North End. Look at all these randoms everywhere.
Plenty.
Look, people over there.
Two in the shade.
Yeah. Enjoying the race?
Yes.
Yeah.
You move on and try to see.
Oh, there we
there we
go.
go.
Are you from the North Shore? Yeah, you can tell I'm a mile away. Yeah, it's great, mate. Get out of my way. Yeah. Absolutely.